I've been trying to find a scan tool that released that park brake. I failed once already with a different brand, but I got this one here, the NT530 from Foxwell. You got to make sure that when you buy this thing, you get the one that says for Honda Acura. So all you have to do then after you hook up, we come over here to Honda. Smart VIN it. Then we come down to special functions. So you can hear the motor of the park brake completely just released, so now you can change out your pads. Then when you're all done, you can hit F3 and it re-engages your park brake. So this tool does work. I'm glad I finally found one that was affordable too. So the other way people do it is they pull that connector, and before they do that, they apply the park brake, then they come back here and pull that connector, and they guess which one of those two pins to apply the polarity for power and ground from a battery, maybe with jumper cables or something. Then they can spin that motor all the way back, change their pads, go back, put the wires to it, spin the motor all the way back to its locked position, and then go cycle the park brake switch a few times. And that seems to work pretty good. Now if you do opt to do the O-ring where you pull the entire motor off the back of that caliper and spin it with a Torx bit, you want to be very careful that you clean out all the inside surfaces of that cavity of that cylinder and the plastic, and also the O-ring and the gland that it sits in, because all that road grime, if it's going to be sitting in between the O-ring and its mating surfaces, that's pretty much going to end up in a leak path usually. So this is an area that's very concerning to stay sealed, and you want to make sure you clean that O-ring and surfaces very good. Otherwise, you could end up with water in that.